Welcome to the Servant-Minded Leadership Channel. My name is John. Today I want to talk to you about the value of I am statements. I did something a few years ago that I'm actually going to show you right now. In fact, let me step to the side and we'll kind of show on the screen here. This is a screenshot of my phone. And if you notice, each of the folders that I have on my phone or collection of apps, most of them start with I am statements. I am blessed, I am wealthy, I am faithful, etc. Now that might seem weird to you, or it might seem really cool, I don't know, but let me tell you why I did that. Not because you need to, but to share part of my journey. I chose to do that because every time, for example, I go to a banking app, I want to reaffirm in my life the positive aspects of what I desire to be. Every time I open up an app that is travel related, I'm affirming my curiosity. And every time that I open up a business app, I am affirming the success that I hope to have and embody. Now, this is a simple practice, but I think it can have profound impacts because as leaders, we're going to be faced with just a ton of negativity sometimes. We're going to be, people are going to come against us, people are going to have their thoughts, there's going to be rumors, there's going to be gossip, all that stuff. And so we can't control what anybody else says about us, but we can certainly control what we say and think about ourselves. This is a powerful concept, and I just want to share with you, I know it's going to be tough. I know that you took that role and you were just trying to help, and now everyone's starting rumors about you. I know that you've been trying to serve to the best of your ability, and yet for whatever reason, it feels like you can do no right. I get it. But the question is not, what is anybody else saying about you? The question is not, what do people think of me? The question is, what am I saying about me? And what do I think about me? What disciplines have I put in place to ensure that my perception of me is accurate, empowering, and positive? My guidance, my takeaway for you today is very simply, not that you need to change the apps on your phone. You probably are not crazy like me and probably don't have all your apps very neatly in little bundles anyways. But whatever you do, the statements, specifically anything that comes after the word I am, what are you saying? What's the most common thing that comes out of your mouth after I am? Is it positive or is it negative? Does it build you up or does it tear you down? Does it encourage you or does it dismay you? Your journey, your choice. My encouragement to you is that you are worth investing in yourself by speaking good about yourself. Thank you for joining me today on the Servant-Minded Leadership Channel, where we are empowering leaders to change the world.